Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and I'm Becky from Rich Source Taiwan, and we are now at ISE 2024, the world's biggest integration system exhibition. And today I'm going to give you a quick look of our booth. Let's go. Okay, so when you get into our booth, you can see the rules behind me, and it's basically about the history, how we became the leading brand in Taiwan, and also the remarkable cases we've done with our valued clients. So we look forward to having a partnership with you in the future. And the wall behind you covers our interactive software such as account management systems, wireless streaming systems, and device management systems, which means we can provide not only interactive devices but also interactive softwares that we can offer you the most comprehensive interactive solutions that meet your needs. Take a look at our brand new model OLED transparent touchscreens here, and it features 4 HD resolutions, which providing the high transparencies and high brightness. And as you can see, the color is very clear and sharp. And this is our partner. Her name is Cici, and we can interact with her. So on the left side of our booth, you can see a 55 inches touch kiosk here. And with our CS kiosk advertising software, you can set out the materials you want, and also different projects for different cases, all remotely. And so it can be your best marketing assistant in many different spaces. Let's move on to our best-selling model, 75 inches multi-touch screen. It features 4K high resolutions, and also with the Android 11 systems, which means you can download the apps you need into these devices. And in addition, for the storage and the memory has a full upgrade to 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM. And it can apply to many sectors such as education, business, and digital signage. Okay, so at the front of our booth, you can see the smart bedroom here, and with a built-in 86 inches in-cell capacity multi-touch screen. And it features also 4K resolutions and built-in Android systems. It also supports dual systems. As you can see on the screen, I can go to the Windows system directly. And if you want to go back, that's okay. For the home screen. So, and when you look at the full flat design, you can write on the level directly, and also the screen directly. So when you turn off the screen, it can be the full flat level. And when you turn it on, it can be your presenter to put on the materials you need to show. And also it has digital whiteboards. You can write on it. Yes, this is our one-stop solution, smart blackboard. Stay tuned for more information. You can follow our LinkedIn and official website here. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and share, subscribe buttons, and turn on the little bell here. Thank you.